Hi everyone. So a lot of you guys wanted to see me or wanted to see me open up the pomelo fruit because it's a type of grapefruit and it's a huge fruit. A lot of you guys know about the pomelos. I have had them once before and they are good and they don't have that strong bite like a grapefruit does. But like I've mentioned before, for me, I have a love-hate relationship with grapefruits. I love them, but I hate them, you know? So, but this is a red pomelo, and so we'll just open this guy up. And I know for me, I kind of like to get it started by first, like, just cutting around it. Kind of helps get it started, but you most certainly can just open it without utensil, without a knife, of course. You guys know, but that's just kind of what I do. It kind of helps get it started. But that's kind of the one chore about a pomelo, is getting the rind off. I think it's fun opening it though, but it's bigger than a softball, almost a little bit smaller than a bowling ball. I used to play softball, like when I was younger. I was in a league and everything, and I used to play a lot of softball, so I know this is bigger than a softball. But I also used to do a lot of bowling. I was in a bowling league for a lot of my younger years there too, and I know it's just a little bit smaller than a bowling ball. So, but bowling's really fun. I don't know if you guys have played bowling. Bowling is super fun. I also love badminton. Oh, that's gotta be like my all-time favorite game to, like, sports game to play is badminton. I love badminton. This one almost smells like a lemon. It kind of smells like a lemon. It's giving off a lemony scent. It smells like a grapefruit, but it smells similar to a grapefruit, but more on the lemony side, on the lemon side. But see, once you get the rind off, you actually see how much smaller it is. And that's one thing. I wish the fruit was not sold by the pound, because you see how much you're paying just in the rind and the stuff that you don't eat. You paid for that, because it's by pound. And you see, and if you actually do kind of the math, or if you just experiment with it and see how much all the extra rind and other stuff that you don't eat from the fruit, weigh that and see how much that weighs, and you see how much you've paid for that. It's like, gosh dang it, why do the grocery stores have to do that? Why do they have to do that? So now is the challenge of getting all this pithy stuff off. So this might take a little while, guys. Okay, you guys, so I got most of the pith stuff off. This is all of the remains. Lots of, that's one thing about pomelos that I know from my last one that I had with my mom, is that's one thing I noticed, is there's so much of that fuzzy pith stuff, fiber pith stuff. So this is what it looks like, which you guys know, still super big. But let's open. Oh my. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Yeah. See, that tastes like a grapefruit without the grapefruit bite. And it's much sweeter. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Woo. This one's good. Mmm. This one is sweet. Mmm. This is like a whole filling meal in itself. I am not going to be able to finish this all, but it's going to take me some time because it's kind of equal to the size of 2 grapefruits, which is a meal basically, but this is like, for me, it's a meal. But this one is so good. If you guys have never tried a pomelo before, if you haven't, you must try one. It's a fun citrus fruit to just, just the act of peeling it and prepping it, you know, before you eat here, and then actually eating it. It's a really good and enjoyable fruit. This one is so sweet. This one is mighty good. Okay, you guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.